Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Below is a step-by-step tutorial to get you started with Apache Spark in just 10 minutes. This guide will cover the basics of Apache Spark, including its components, setup, and a simple code example. What is Apache Spark? Apache Spark is an open-source distributed computing system designed for fast processing of large data sets. It provides an interface for programming entire clusters with implicit data parallelism and fault tolerance. Key components of Apache Spark. 1. Spark Core, the underlying engine that provides distributed task dispatching, scheduling, and basic I/O functionalities. 2. Spark SQL, module for working with structured data using SQL queries. 3. Spark Streaming, enables processing of real-time data streams. 4. mllib, a library for machine learning. 5. graphx, a library for graph processing. Step 1. Setting up Apache Spark. 1. Install Java. Spark requires Java. You can check if Java is installed by running. If not installed, download and install the latest version from the Java website, https://www.oracle.com/java/java-z-jdk11-downloads.html. 2. Download Apache Spark. Go to the Apache Spark download page, https://spark.apache.org/downloads.html, and download the latest version. Ensure you select a pre-built package for Hadoop. 3. Extract Spark. Unzip the downloaded file and move it to a desired directory. You can use 4. Set environment variables, Linux/Mac. Add the following lines to your /.bashrc or /.bash_profile. 5. Start Spark. Navigate to the Spark directory and start Spark shell. Step 2. Writing your first Spark application. Once you have the Spark shell running, you can start writing your first Spark application. Below is a simple example that reads a text file, counts the words, and displays the results. Code example, word count. 1. Create a sample text file. Create a text file named sample.txt with the following content. 2. Load the file and count words. In the Spark shell, execute the following commands. Step 3, explanation of the code. SC text file, reads a text file and returns an RDD, resilient distributed data set, representing the lines in the file. Flat map, splits each line into words and flattens the result. Map, transforms each word into a tuple, word, 1. Reduce by key, combines the tuples by key, word, and sums up the counts. Collect, returns all the elements of the RDD to the driver program. For each, iterates through the results and prints each count. Step 4, stopping Spark. After you finish running your commands, you can stop the Spark shell by simply typing. Conclusion. In just 10 minutes, you've learned how to set up Apache Spark, write a simple word count application, and understand the basic operations in Spark. You can explore more features and modules like Spark SQL, Spark Streaming, and mllib as you become more familiar with Spark. Next steps. Explore the Apache Spark documentation, https://spark.apache.org/docs/latest, for more advanced features and functionalities. Try out different data processing tasks with Spark. Look into integrating Spark with data sources like Hadoop, Cassandra, or SQL databases. With this guide, you're on your way to becoming proficient in Apache Spark. Happy coding!